Yes.
Wow.
There you go, bud. You good? All right, guys, so the Easy Lip is off. We all know FP2000. If you haven't checked out his channel, definitely do it. The Easy Lip is a kind of a pain in the ass to get off, but we're getting it.
You can see one side is a little lower because the screw was. I was going 120 miles an hour though.
What?
Yeah. So I'm saying, like, down force is crazy. After 80 miles an hour.
Do you have a plastic bag for garbage?
Yes, it's right there. You gonna say hi?
Mommy, I get it.
What do you think? I think it looks slick, right?
Once you get on the ground, it looks nice.
What do you think? You like it? Oh yeah. Shane, you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, guys. So a front splitter is now on the RT. The Easy Lip came off. You know, it was a little tricky to get the Easy Lip off. You had to get a heat gun and, you know, rip it off very slowly. It was kind of a pain in the butt, but my buddy Rob that has the white Scat Pack up the block helped me with that. And also FP2000. Guys, if you haven't checked out his channel, please go over there. His channel link will be in the description. Definitely check out FP2000. He's the one that actually gave me this splitter, and I think it looks absolutely awesome. If you look at the car with the ZL1 rock guards on there, you know, kind of like it just all kind of like fits together. So I think I might end up going with a splitter in the back, but we'll see how that plays out. I think this is really cool looking. It's also going to help when you know, I'm doing a little scraping on the bottom. Here in New York, the roads are atrocious, so this should help, you know, kind of when I bottom out. So yeah, overall very happy. The installation probably took about an hour, and most of it was ripping off that Easy Lip. So guys, anybody that has an Easy Lip, just be prepared for a little bit of a tedious task with taking it off. It's kind of a pain in the butt. Yeah, in the comments below, let me know what you think. If you dig it, you think I should have kept the Easy Lip? I don't know. I love it. I think it looks slick. And it's functional. You know, it's not, an Easy Lip is just for cosmetic purposes. I loved my Easy Lip. I thought it really gave a nice aggressive look to the front. No regrets with that thing. It held up really well. But you know, I'm definitely digging the splitter. It was I believe I had the Easy Lip on there for 8 months, and I thought this would be a nice little mix-up. So yeah, definitely let me know what you think. And that's that, guys. I hope you're having an awesome weekend. Once again, FP2000, thanks, buddy. I really do appreciate it. Want to say hi to YouTube?
Yeah.
Go ahead, say hi.
Hi, Tutu.
Very good.